Cloud computing is the process of accessing computer, software, and IT applications directly over the internet rather than from local physical sources like hard drives or on-site servers. Computers have revolutionized every aspect of the business world. All businesses are dependent on computer technology, not merely to function at maximum efficiency, but to operate at all. But our dependence on computers comes with a price. We are constrained by their limitations and vulnerable to their weaknesses. Servers can crash, databases can be hacked, and hardware rapidly grows obsolete. As our reliance on computers grows, companies have invested increasingly large sums of money on inside computer infrastructures to handle their needs. These infrastructures cost money to design, install, support, operate, and most especially to maintain. Because hardware is subject to obsolescence and entropy, infrastructure is a continuous expense which will only increase over time. As hackers grow more and more sophisticated, threats to the security of information and the integrity of systems are constant. And because so many different aspects of computing are involved in a single business, the potential for breakdown is multiplied. The cloud directly addresses the problems posed by physical hardware. It not only frees an organization from installing, designing, supporting, and maintaining its own computer infrastructure, it provides data security and infinitely scalable computing resources. Infinitely scalable meaning as much as you need. Cloud allows for an anywhere, anytime, anything approach, combining mobile devices, personal computers, app servers, code, and databases into a single, easily accessible resource. It streamlines operations, increases efficiency and ease of use, and may even reduce expense. Our technological landscape is changing. Advanced manufacturing technology, AMT, is an industrial evolution that will help companies prioritize long-term business goals over low-risk, short-term returns and succeed in today's smart manufacturing environment. Reach out to Mantech for expert knowledge of AMT and assistance with technology implementation.